So here we have 1981 YZ125h rear wheel. I got a couple of broken spokes and I was going to replace the spokes, and I found, where's the seam, that I've got a cracked rim. You can kind of see, where is it here? Right there. Cracked rim on the other side, and you can kind of see it going all the way through. So, and it also has one of these hard landing wows in the rim here somewhere, so we're going to end up replacing it. So this, I want to save some of the old spokes. I do have a new set. Got aluminum nipples and stainless spokes. So, but for spares or to help somebody else out, I'm going to try and save some of these. So this is how I do it. So we used our propane torch. And what I did, or have been doing, is heat the nipple. And it takes a minute or so. And grab my chunk of paraffin wax right on the top of it. Let that melt in. Okay. Now, I'm going to try this with, the other ones came out with just this crescent wrench. So I'm going to try it with this one too. Just a little bit one way. You can kind of hear it cracking. There we go. Keep working it back and forth. It's kind of holding. Sorry about the holding hand. I should have a fixture. There. Let's go. There we go. Got it moving, so I just got to push it a little bit further each time. And it'll eventually come out. Let's go a bit more. There you go. There you go. There you have it.